Okay, today I'm going to show you a pneumatic lift platform with a Lazy Susan that goes inside of a media blasting cabinet. So here's a look at the 3D digital model that I created in Autodesk Fusion 360. It's made out of common, readily available parts, and the genesis for this project was to help improve employee safety and productivity and make it easier for employees to sandblast parts or components inside the media blasting cabinet. As we take a look around the 3D model here, here's the pressure regulator part number and control valve part numbers. We purchased them from Automation Direct. Quick disclaimer, this video is not a paid promotion for any product or part you see in the video. So basically, it's a pneumatic cylinder that goes up and down. And on top of the pneumatic cylinder, you see there is a round steel disc. And sandwiched between those two steel discs is a Lazy Susan or a turntable.
Wow.
So here's how it works. And that bellows you see there just protects the cylinder rod and seals from getting any media inside the seals. And so this whole assembly will get mounted inside our media blasting cabinet. The pressure regulator there. Closer look at the control valve. So pretty simple, straightforward installation. Use the tubing. I welded some gussets on the underside for extra support. And here's what it looks like installed inside the media blasting cabinet. Installed it, I mounted the assembly to some unistrut and used some hinged unistrut brackets and welded the brackets to the inside body of the media blasting cabinet. We received positive feedback from the employees that use it. They can now quickly and easily turn their parts around and rotate them while they're inside the media blasting cabinet, raise and lower the parts to facilitate the blasting process. I hope this information helps you. And if you're looking for a practical facilities maintenance handbook, I recently published this handbook available on Amazon.com. The link for this handbook will be in the video description below. It's available in ebook format as well as paperback format. It has common facilities documents, signage, tags, labels, shop equipment, reference material. This is a great resource guide and training aid. And if you're looking for coffee mugs, shirts, hats, weatherproof stickers, or decals for your facility, there's a link in the video description below for these as well. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.